So how do we actually use the Segway Ninebot app? So firstly, we need to go to the Segway mobility app here, as you can see. So I'm just going to enter it. And you can see when it enters, it's going to be automatically connected to my scooter here. If it's not, you need to add it, and you can add it by clicking right here as an example, and then just click on add device. And it's going to then search for your specific Ninebot scooter here, as you can see. So once you have actually enabled it, you can here enable guard mode, as you can see. So what that means is that when you enable guard mode, you can see this little lock symbol here indicating that your Ninebot electrical scooter is now locked. And if you want to be able to exit the guard mode, you can just swipe like this, and now you're good to go. You can now start riding it again if you want to. Now what you can also do on the app, which I think is very useful, is to click on settings here, and you can see you can change the start speed here. So either if you want to go 3 kilometers per hour, 4 or 5. So this means that how fast you want it to start, basically. You have also kinetic energy recovery here if you want to, and imperial metric system. Never tried this one, don't really know exactly what this one does, to be honest. And some of you in here will also have the lock symbol, so you can click on it and you can set a specific passcode for your specific electrical scooter that you need to enter when you're going to start it up, just so you know. This is the most important. And in here you can see how much battery you have in the top left corner here. You can also click on the dashboard here, as you can see, and you can see exactly how much it's remaining here until your battery is gone. And yeah, you can also see the voltage here, the vehicle temperature, and I'm just gonna go back here. There's a couple of more functions here, but I believe that we have now gone through the most important ones here. So yeah, basically that is exactly how to actually use this app.